This is the way only, not only English language, even if you are preparing some examination, this is the good way, correct way to learn or to even get good score also.
Many video do you upload on YouTube every day?
I upload only one video.
Mm-hmm. And how
Yeah,
many videos like made one day? How many session do you take in one day?
only two or sometimes one only, because nowadays even I teach also. So even I have a one like co-learner, we can say, and I decided to means discuss at least three topics in a week. So I
Mhm.
also prepare that, because only to make conversation, I think it's not enough.
Yes,
Yeah.
right. Right. We
Earlier
have
I was doing, like four sessions, five sessions, but I later I realized that no, this is not a correct way to learn. If we
to
really
learn.
want to improve and speak in a correct way, so we will focus more. We will have to work hard for it.
Yes, right. So how do you do your work? Like how do you improve your English? I want to know, like I am also learner, so I learn and I improve. I'll improve. Give
Because
me some
I think you are
advice.
going in the right direction. You are going in the right direction, no doubt. Just keep on practicing, and along with that, you also start to listen some
Mhm.
English podcast or English good speaker, so it will be helpful. Yeah.
Yes, right.
Even
Okay.
as I told you, I prepared topic also. In this
Okay.
way, we get knowledge, as well as I'm also able to describe different topics.
Topic. So if I want to prepare any topic, so how I do?
First, what I do, just I write down what I have knowledge about that topic.
Okay.
Sometimes what happen, I am not able to write more than five or six sentences. So
Mm-hmm.
after that, I Google about that topic
Okay.
and gather all knowledge.
Okay.
And after that, I means start to speak in my own words.
Okay.
Yeah,
It's improve our writing skill, listening skill, speaking in skill, and reading skill also.
yes.
It's a good. Yeah.
Because I have the habit of writing. I can write at least 10 pages every day.
Wow, it's amazing.
Yeah.
Actually, I'm not fond of to reading and writing, but these days I force myself to read at least one
Uh-huh.
story. I try to read, and anything I try to read, and I try to write something, because writing is very important. Everyone told me, and it's a really important, because I feel whenever I
Mhm.
write anything, so that word I know very well, means after
Mhm.
writing that word I know very well. So it's improve my English very fast if anyone do all things like reading, writing, listening, and speaking. So like while preparing any topics, we we just include each and everything, like listening, reading, writing, each and everything. It's good.
Because what happened when we prepare any topic, after preparing or after go through that topic, we forget some words,
Yes,
and we are not able
yes.
to find so immediately while speaking. But if we practice a lot, so that word will be in our mind, and we can recall that word at the time of speaking very soon.
Right, you're right. I always think how to prepare any topic. Like I go and Google, I search and just
Mhm.
read one and two time, and while speaking, I forget that topic. So it's a good.
What happened? I just tell you the real situation. We prepare topic, and at the time of speaking, we just speak what we know according to our mentality. We just speak.
Yes, right. So
Yeah.
it happened with me very time. That's why I always thinking ki how I prepare any topic. Okay, thank you
And
so much for your
because of
guidance.
that, and
Uh-huh.
you be, and sometimes we laugh. I laugh at myself only. after discussing the topic. So what I told, I just think about that. Yes,
Yes, right. Okay, so next time when I prepare any topic, so yeah, I'll do each and everything. So it's
yeah.
good for me. Okay. So yeah,
Okay,
give me more advice. You are give me more advice how I improve each and everything. Like this is a topic. How to like prepare any topic. Like and next, what you want to give advise me?
uh, this is the way only, not only English language, even if you are preparing some examination, this is the good way, correct way to learn or to even get good score also.
Or like if we are teaching our kids, so just we say ki
Yeah,
write something about it, and we tell you write these word. Like we first, I also
yeah,
do. I say like some word I given the my kids give the my kids and say you write down each and everything. So they learn
mm,
very fast when they write. So they learn very fast. Not only English, Hindi also. You know, Hindi,
yeah,
Sanskrit also. So reading and writing is very important.
yes. And in this way, their writing will also improve.
Yeah. Our also. I did earlier. I did writing very much. You know, I when I didn't know how to write English cursive
Mhm,
handwriting. So I just
mhm,
learned first cursive, how to write each and every letter, and then I learn how to means join sentences, and then
mm,
I earlier I wrote very much, five
mm,
six five six notebook. I filled it,
mm. Good.
but if I skipped this thing, so yeah, I am missing.
Mm, okay, I think in this video this is enough.
Yeah.
We should wind up this session. Another time we will discuss topic and we'll learn different things.
Okay.